Hi everyone, welcome back to DevOps Bunker. I'm going to create a lot of videos on GitHub which will cover full course, and those videos will be added to GitHub full course playlist. So please subscribe to the channel to get the updates. So let's start. So in this video we are going to learn of GitHub packages and GitHub container registry and its features and limitations. So what is GitHub packages? It's a feature of GitHub which allows us to store and host our packages like npm, Maven, NuGet, RubyGems and extra. Next one is GitHub Container Registry. It is also a feature of GitHub and specially designed for storing and hosting Docker images. So we will be able to push our Docker or OCA images to GitHub Container Registry. Advantages: easily shareable across GitHub organization, easy to integrate with the GitHub workflows and consume with the workflows as well. GitHub packages acts as a centralized artifact and dependency management solution, enabling developers to publish, share, and consume packages directly within GitHub. It also has limitations. GitHub does not accept capital letters in the package names and Docker image names. So we have to make sure whenever we are pushing, package name or Docker image name should not contain capital letters. Limited compared to Nexus Artifactory because there is no concept called proxy repos in GitHub packages. That's it, guys. Please subscribe. It will be encouraging for me to make more content like this. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.